If you guys want to get defined curls without using any gel, watch this video. So now I'm going to add my shampoo. So this is what my hair looks like after the shampoo. And now this is the conditioner I'm going to be using. So this is what my hair looks like after the conditioner. So for my next step, I'm going to be using this curl cream. It smells amazing. This is my first time ever using this product. This product is amazing. This is what my hair is looking like. So for my next step, I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite hair growth oil. It's called CG oil. You guys could use a diffuser or a blow dryer just to get rid of the white stuff. But anyways guys, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys liked it. Be sure to like and subscribe and share with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys on my next video.